Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of The Nerd on Crypto. Now remember, this isn't financial advice, this is educational and entertainment purposes only. But guess what? Tesla in January purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. This is great because we saw huge increases in the value of Bitcoin after that happened. Well, now that the publicly traded companies had to disclose their finances, we learned that not too far after that, after Elon Musk tweeted that they purchased Bitcoin, that they turn around and sell $272 million worth of Bitcoin. So in the end, they profited $100 million off of that small Bitcoin movement. Not small, but small amount of time that they had the money in Bitcoin, which was great for their Q1 earnings that was just released. Of course, what's going to happen is the SEC going to investigate that? Are they going to look in and see, well, they purchased it, then they announced they purchased it, which caused the value of Bitcoin to increase, and then sold it? Could we see another Ripple issue here? If you don't know, Ripple is the company that is related to XRP, the coin, and they moved money around. They sold their money and got into a lot of trouble with the SEC. But now we're finding out that the Ripple guys are asking the SEC to show them all the documentation showing how they listed Bitcoin and Ethereum. If they're not listed as securities, then why would there be an issue with XRP? But Tesla's different. Tesla's a publicly traded company that purchased this digital gold, then tweeted about it, which boomed the value, then sold it. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here. Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy is one of the biggest owners of Bitcoin and has purchased billions of dollars. They own 92,000 Bitcoin or something like that. The largest is Grayscale, but they're a fund, so they use other people's money to buy it. MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor use their own money to buy it, and then got Elon Musk and Tesla to do it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens when all this plays out. Either way, it's great to have all this money coming into Bitcoin. It helps give it some legitimacy, and hopefully it doesn't turn into an SEC issue and some more negative press about Bitcoin. That's it for this episode of The Nerd on Crypto. Thanks. Now remember, if you like what you're seeing, let YouTube and Google know, let the algorithms know, smash that like button. Come on, it's easy, just do it right down there. And over there you could hit the subscribe and the little bell for notifications so you can see this. Remember, a lot of this is beginner stuff. That's what I'm targeting. I'm somewhat of a beginner. Let's not be high level and techie and crazy and everything. Let's be a little bit nerdy, and that's pretty much it. The Nerd on Crypto, out.